given in AMOS. One of the things which is very interesting is that when we run a factor analysis, depending on the type of analysis extraction method that we use, or depending on the type of rotation that we use, the matrix that comes out that needs to be transferred, copied and transferred to AMOS is different. So let us just look at the first thing. Let us run a factor analysis, and I've already chosen my items. So in case of extraction, I'm using principal component, and I'm going to use varimax rotation. So at the moment it is none. I'm choosing varimax. Varimax is a form of orthogonal rotation. Varimax, quantimax, and equimax. So I hit the button continue. Everything is already selected. I'm going to sort by size, and I'm going to suppress small coefficients below 0.4 which do not make any sense in terms of meaningful loadings. So I'll just click OK, and this is my output. So you can see, if you scroll down, you will see a component matrix, and then you will see a rotated component matrix. Now, if we have used principal component analysis and one of the orthogonal rotations, usually we tend to use varimax rotation. So we'll copy this, and then we will take this to AMOS plugins, and we'll enter this in plugin matrix. So I need to specify a data file, so for which I'm going to use the same data file on which I have run a EFA. So this is the one. Okay, and here it is. The window opens up, and I just need to copy my matrix from rotated component matrix. So it's very important to note, if we have used principal component analysis with varimax rotation, and varimax rotation, like I said, is a form of orthogonal rotation, we'll copy rotated component matrix. So we'll just copy this, click on this, copy, we'll bring it here, paste it here. It says paste, and I'll hit the button create diagram, and I have the diagram here in front of me. Similarly, I just want all of you to note, if we run a factor analysis, but if we choose, let's say it's not principal component analysis, or it is principal component analysis and the rotation is different, and I choose a rotation method which is what we call as oblique, direct oblimin, or promax are types of oblique rotation. Let me choose promax. I hit the button continue. All things being equal, I'll just scroll down, and what we'll find now is that there is nothing called as component matrix. So what we have here is, we have a structure matrix and we have a pattern matrix. So pattern matrix is the one which we will be using, and I'll just highlight it for you. So pattern matrix is the one that we'll be using we'll copy this and we'll paste it in AMOS. Once again, let me just erase this. So let's just go back again, and let's again do an analysis. I'll run factor analysis, and I've chosen principal axis factoring, which is again a very common form of extraction. So we'll hit the button continue, and let the rotation be either varimax or promax. So let it be promax at the moment, and I hit the button OK. And as soon as I hit the button OK, you can see once again we have the pattern matrix. So in this we have a pattern matrix. We will not copy the factor matrix, we'll not copy the structure matrix, we'll only copy the pattern matrix. So pattern matrix is the one which we are going to be copying. So, but in case we have used another rotation method, so let's take a look at this. Let's assume that I have chosen a rotation not which is oblique. I have chosen varimax. So I will hit the button continue and OK. And what I have is, I have a rotated factor matrix now. So this is the one that we'll be using if we have chosen principal axis factoring with varimax rotation. So we'll use rotated factor.